In this very short video, I would like to show you three things. First of them is how to create a document template. Second one would be about text tagging. And the third thing is about workflow designer. So if I'm in Adobe Sign and signed in, of course, and I'm on my home page, I click here on Create a Reusable Template. I easily enter a template name, and I can choose if I drag and drop file here or I add file from my computer or from cloud storage. Let's see where it is. Okay, let's try this one. So I can actually choose a Word file or Excel file or a PowerPoint file, or I could even use a Word file with tags, but we will talk about text tagging later. So I could also use Adobe Acrobat Pro, which might be the best practice, but we are talking about Adobe Sign, so let's stick to Adobe Sign. So I named the template, I have chosen the file, and I can choose what the template type is, whether it's a reusable document or whether it's just a reusable form field layer. The reusable form field layer could be, you could actually apply these form fields just as a layer to other documents with commonly used fields like name, surname, and address, etc. So let's see what happened here. I go to preview the file. And I could actually choose this AI and use the detected files. And you can see it offers me a full name here. So I put a name here. Sorry, I do it like this. Edit. It will be participant 1, and it will be his name. This field would be date, and there is a signature 1 and signature 2. These fields should be automatically filled in. So I click Save. Well, I didn't. Let's forget about the first field. So I click Save. And I can send out this document for a signature using this template, or I can add another template to the library. And I should always find the template under the Manage tab in here in Templates. So you can see I have a template test here. I can use a template, I can edit the template, I can delete it. So that's about as easy as it is. So that's about document templates. So let's have a look how a text tagging document looks like. So I will choose text tagging here. I will choose this practice document. There are a couple of things you have always to remember. There are always these curly brackets which I can't never find. So there should be a signature which is required here. So I named the field. That's a syntax for the text tagging for Adobe Sign to recognize it that it's text tagging. I put signer 1, and I say it shall be a signature, and the brackets again. There's another field where I shall create a field that will automatically populate the name of the signer above. So there is another syntax for that. Signer 1 full name brackets. Then there should be automatically filled out date. So it's a DTEES signer 1. Hopefully I won't make any mistake. Otherwise you will have to forgive me. And then we have a field that shall collect an address, and it shall even force an email format. And it's a required field. Required field is always marked with asterisk at the beginning. We call it email ES signer 1. Is it sign 1? Yes. And ES email, which is the format. Then there is a field that asks us for the signer the date of birth, and also with the forced birth date format. So it's a required field again. We call it birthday. Yes. Signer 1. And we have date. Curly brackets again. You can even create a drop-down menu. And let's say again it's a required field, and we want the person to define what is his favorite pet. Sign 1. Drop down. Drop down, and then you have to specify the options. We say cat, dog, or hamster. Brackets again. Oh, then there is a phone number, which is a required field. Let's call it phone ES signer 1 phone. you could again force a phone number format, and there is a field that asks for the name of your manager, and you can use a tooltip to guide the signer. So let's call it manager ES signer 1, and we will give him the tooltip like this. Please provide your manager's manager's name. Brackets. That's it. So I will save it. I will save it to here. Call it Martin. Okay. So now we will go back. We will go back to Adobe Sign, and we will try to send this document, say to one person. Please fill out. You can. Sorry. This happens to me often. You can password protect. You can set the completion deadline again. Set a reminder, and so on. So we add file from my computer, and it was this one, I guess. I say open. It happens again, and I say next. Let's see what happens next. From the Word document I just tagged. And here it comes. Signature, full name, date, and so forth. So all the fields are completed. So I can send the document. It has been sent to my email account, I hope. Okay, review and sign. You see, it happens to me because of these two accounts, and it happens to me on Google Chrome. It doesn't happen to me on Safari. Forgot about that. Waiting for me. Okay, here it is. So, my name, I click here to sign. That's the date of today. I should collect another address, so not the signer's address, so I put this one. Birth date is okay. You see there was a forced format, so I have to, so let's say December 5, 1980. I'm getting myself younger. And I can choose my favorite pet. So I say cat. This is my phone number, and I should provide my manager's name, and you can see it shows me the tooltip. So I will, for now, I will go back to Adobe Sign. Let me please sign out and sign in again. I'm sorry for this delay. Yeah. So that's about text tagging, and there are some in progress. Yes. But the last thing I wanted to show you very shortly is the workflow designer, and you actually got to go to the account settings. It's only an enterprise version function. So if I go to workflows, I want to show you only a workflow which I have created before, which is this PTO request. So let's open it up. And it shows us the workflow designer. And if you are creating such a workflow in a workflow designer, you choose a workflow name, you put some instruction for the sender. You can choose whether it's for all groups or a default group. Then you click on agreement info. Again, you put some name. You can set password, completion deadline, a message. You can enter an email address where it should be forwarded. And then comes the important thing, the workflow itself. Then we have the recipients. So here is the recipient routing. It could even be two people besides each other. This is a very simple workflow. This is the requester for the PTO. This is the boss who has to sign it after him. This is the boss of the boss who has to sign it afterwards. And this is the final HR approval. Then you have emails where you have different email notifications for the different roles, and this is the document itself. And the sender input fields, and there are no fields I have added. So this is a very simple workflow, and I just wanted to show you how the workflow looks like, not how you create it, because we have done that before. So thank you for watching. Hopefully it has recorded, and thank you and bye.